I have a Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 shredder which cuts out after the motor has been switched on for about 2 seconds. Switching on the switch repeats the result. The blade assembly and motor is free of obstructions.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. Does the motor sound labored or the same as it has? Any burning or electrical smells? How old is the shredder, as these units carry a 2-year parts and labor guarantee?
The unit is over 2 years old. The motor does not labor. It just stops as if the overload circuit has cut in, but there is no load on the motor. There is no burning smell. I can continually restart the motor with the switch, but it is as if a cutout has operated.
Will it restart immediately, or do you have to let it sit for a few seconds before it will restart?
It will restart immediately, once I have restored the switch to the off position. There is no delay.
I suspect that the protector in the motor is seeing the current draw as excessive and shutting off. Worn brushes may cause this issue and are fairly inexpensive. They are number 801/4/1 in the picture and available below. Click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.